Hey guys, welcome back to NextGen Blogger, and in this video I will show you how you can use the background remover option in VSDC free video editor. So background remover is pretty much the same thing which we do in GIMP when we kind of make our images transparent, and I think the name itself is kind of pretty much self-explanatory. Background remover, we are kind of removing the background from an image or video. So without further delay, let's get started. Now I have already imported a demo video. So this is my demo video right here. Let me just quickly play the video for you. Now what I will be doing is I will be importing an image which I created in GIMP. So let me just quickly import my image. The title of my image is Star Wars. So let me just quickly open that in the editor. Now as you can see, this is my image, and using the background remover tool, what I will be doing is I will be removing this black background so that only the text Star Wars remain on the screen, and then I will be removing this white background so that only the black screen will be there on the screen. So let me just quickly show you. So just click on your image which you imported. Go to video effects, go to transparency, select background remover and click on OK. Now first I want to remove this black background so that only the text Star Wars remain on the screen. So select this symbol, pen symbol right here, which is present on the extreme right of this option, chroma key color, which is present inside the background remover settings. So select this symbol, this pen symbol, and select anywhere on the black part on the screen. So as you can see, the black background kind of got removed, and now if I just quickly play my video, similarly if I just quickly undo and if I just click on the white part, so let me just again select this symbol of pen, and let me just, now if I just click on the white part, as you can see, the white portion from the screen got removed. And again, now if I just play the video is playing but inside the text. And this is how the background remover option works. I have another video for you. We saw this background remover option by experimenting on an image, but I have another video for you. So let me just quickly import another video, and this time this video has green screen. So let me just quickly go to downloads and let me just quickly import that video. So this is my video right here. So let me import that in the editor. Now as you can see, the second video which I imported has green screen in it, and again let's just repeat the process to remove this background. So let me just quickly click on the video, go to video effects, go to transparency, select the background remover option, and let me just click on OK. Now let me just select the tool to remove the background, and let me just select the green color on the screen. And as you can see, the green color got removed. And now if I just play the video, that's it guys. This is how actually you can use the background remover option in VSDC.